Okay, I've cooled it down. I've already started the GPS. Unfortunately, I thought the camera was rolling, like, but it's not. It's neither here nor there. It's only second run on these batteries. Let's see if I can get it to go straighter this time. So we'll put a bit of tape on the body, I think. It's a servo. I do not like the servo in this car, so I don't. Right. See if I can get it going straighter this time. Keep the motor nice and cool. Right. Let's try it this time. Okay, Limitless V2 1717. I don't know what it's going to do, but let's hope. There's no perfect pass in this either, so. She was loose. She was very loose. I don't like going from there, like, so I don't. I'm gonna go further down. I don't like it. Maybe 120, 130. And I'll do that. But I don't like going from there. Oh my god. Right. Definitely don't like going from there. Right. Maybe get the big car going now. Sure, look at the state of this. The foams aren't gonna like that. Set that there. Take this off and get it turned off, and we'll check our speed. That was the second run on those batteries, like, so they're not going to be doing anything special. Motor's hot. Where's my GPS? GPS is over here. Turn these off. Right, I'm thinking 120, 130 maybe at the very, very most. Stop, read. 126. Okay, that'll do for that. I'll check the data logs and all on that. I don't know whether I'd recharge those batteries or not, to be truthful. But that'll do for now. And now we'll get the big car going. That motor's roasting. Oh, where's the fan? We'll get her cooled down anyway. Turn that all off. Right, turn this off.